For some reason, I have an issue melting rear reflectors on my Mustangs. On our SEMA S550, the EcoBoost one we built a few years ago, both of them melted off on a road trip. Now the same thing is happening to smokes now. It's probably because I like to tuck the exhaust, things like that look a little bit better, but my driver's side has fallen off completely, and the passenger one is starting to warp as well. So apparently this is a common problem, and I'm not the only one, but today we're gonna show you how to fix it. If you have a 15 through 17 Mustang, I recommend upgrading to the Accelatech. We actually sell a reflector that lights up, looks killer on the back of the Mustangs. Nothing so far available for the 18 and up, so we offer these genuine Ford replacement reflectors. We'll show you how to install them. Now, if it hasn't fallen off, to remove your factory reflector, you reach behind it, you're gonna squeeze these to pop this out, and there's a little, basically self-cutting nut that goes on here. Use a small wrench to get behind it. Make sure your exhaust is cold when you do this, or you'll burn your hand. Pop that out, and then go up underneath. And you can see the retaining nut is right up there, kind of behind the plastic, underneath that wiring harness. Get up there and just twist it off. Once you get the nut off the back, your light will just fall out. Now, fortunately, when removing this, this is a common occurrence. You try to get a wrench on that nut. It's such a tight location. Sometimes you end up snapping off the stud. But with the new one, we're actually gonna apply some double stick tape, which will make the mount a lot better than even the factory setup. What we're gonna do is just put some double stick tape on the back here. Use that stud for alignment. Press it in place. Just give it a little push to set the tape. Well, I'm hoping at some point Accelatech makes a light up version like they offer for the 15 through 17. For now, a fresh set of Ford reflectors looks way better than the melted one that was on here before. The installation is pretty simple. Like I said, that nut can be tough to get to. If you break it though, don't worry about it because tape will do the job for the installation. But give yourself about 15-20 minutes, be back on the road in no time.